Are you scared that you might be at risk of hereditary cancer? Do you know that genetic symptoms can sometimes go undiagnosed? Do not worry. RM Genetics can surely come to your aid. All you need to do is get your kit and allow us to do the rest. This is how it works. Fill out our test kit form. After you're done with filling out the form, our agents will call you to verify information such as medical and insurance and consult which kit is right for you. Mail in your kit. Mail in your kit to our lab so that our certified lab technicians can perform complete analysis to make sure you're getting accurate results and that your health requires the right medical attention. In rare cases, we will require you to bring the kit to your doctor. Results. Your results will include your risk for selected hereditary disorders, along with personalized screening guidelines. That's not all. The entire process is completely covered by your insurance company if you have the right kind of coverage. Now, gain insight into unexplained symptoms and get to know if the genes you were born with are contributing to the risk of developing certain types of cancer. Detecting cancer early improves the odds of survival. The 5-year survival rates for the cancers covered by RM Genetics hereditary cancer test increase dramatically when they are caught at an earlier and more treatable stage. So what are you waiting for? Log on to www.rmgenetics.com today and get your kit. Together, we can stop the spread of cancer.